Denise here, and welcome to day 11 of our 30-day workout plan for beginners. Today, we're going to target those hard-to-tone trouble spots, and we've got some new moves that we've incorporated for this second week. So as usual, before we do any workout program, we're going to do some stretching. And the whole reason to stretch is it helps prime your muscles for whatever workout you have going on, and it also reduces your chance of injury. So because we're going to be working on our back and our stomach, our abs, love handles, our thigh area, these are the areas we're going to target with the stretches. After that, we're going to go into a slow walk and then about a minute's worth of jogging. So I'm glad to see you're back. Please stick with me. This is going to be fun. All right, let's get going. kind of messed up on the exercises that we were going to be doing every other day. I think I may have done, I don't know, I messed up yesterday and the day before. So we're going to go back to square one, and we're going to do arm circles. These are good for your bra bulge and for your arms. So we're going to do 15 this way, 15 this way, small circles, 15 big circles this way, and 15 this way. You're definitely going to feel it in your arms. Tighten up your stomach as you do them. And here we go, small ones. Big ones. Arms out. You should have felt those. Whew. There you go, stretch them out. You can feel that in your arms. You can feel it in your back. Right here where your bra is. And work on that bulge. Alright, let's go on to the next one. So this one here, this one's called an oblique cruncher. You can do it with a weight in your hand. If you choose to, if not, then don't. But this is good for your love handles, so it's a matter of just going one, like that. Go down as far as you can. All right, we're going to do 15 each side. Here we go. Let's move on. So the next exercise that I had scheduled, donkey kicks. You should know how to do those. 15 each leg. So, let's start. Down on all fours. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, one more. And 15. Switch your legs. Here we go. leg always seems to do better than my other. I think I have more strength in my right leg. All right, let's move on. So today we're going to move on to bicycle crunches. I think we did these yesterday. We're going to do 15 of them each leg. So make sure you breathe out every time your knee connects with your elbow. And here we go. Five more. Oh, 15. Woo. I feel those. Good job, people. And now we're going to do the bridges. We're going to do 15 of them. And on number 15, we're going to hold it up for as long as we can. Let's just keep moving. Arms at the side. Here we go. Now's about the time when you should start feeling it. Get it up there, make sure you squeeze. 10. And hold this one up as long as you can. Number 15. Tightening up all around here and all around here. Okay. Down. You guys want to keep it up? Do that. Oh. All right, on to the last one. Okay, so for this last one, we're still doing the 30-day plank challenge, and today we're going to hold for 60 seconds. A whole minute. Try and do it with me. If you can't, that's okay. Just go for as long as you can. But the goal today is for a minute. Here we go. Into position. There we go. Seconds. Starting to feel it in my legs. Oh, my gut. All right, we're at 40. Oh, starting to feel it in my back. Around my shoulder area. More. Looking good. Here we go. Run on. Let's stop that. Whoa, a whole minute. of the 30-day workout program. You should feel really good, not too sore. Kind of stretch them out. Oh, help your muscles to recover from what we did today. We worked on our sides. Oh. And our glutes. And here, our legs. Oh. So you do some sort of a warm-up on your own. I'll just keep talking. So yeah, I'm glad you all came back. I hope to see you again tomorrow. We're going to be on day 12. You got to think about this. We're a third of the way through, and you should start to feel a little stronger. These exercises should come a little easier for you, and I seriously hope that's the case. So hit the subscribe button if you wish. Give me a like. Tell me what you think. Give me some constructive criticism. Anything is welcome. And until tomorrow, ciao.